Good morning, YouTube. We're back again. A few little jobs. Finish this bed now. All dug over and weeded, sort of. Thinned these sunflowers out. We have done the cabbage bed. Looking good. Both of them. Emma's left a random plant in there. We don't know what it is. Loads and loads of cabbages. I don't know what we're going to do with. I only want a couple of them. This bed with the cauliflowers. They're looking really healthy. A couple of the leaves have been eaten, probably slugs. Might get in there and just cut them off. Sprouts are starting to look good. And these beds, the Swedes, still something eating them, and I've got the net on. All these are going to go. It's probably a courgette there we can take. There's loads of them. We've replaced a couple of these plants in here that we did a couple of weeks ago. They're looking good. Just can't believe how fast weeds grow. Been talking to Jimmy from plot 41B about carrots. So this is the bed. Haven't filled it yet. I think it's about 12 inches or so. I haven't measured the height of it. I'm going to do that. I'm going to get a load of sharp sand. Just fill the whole bed with sharp sand. Put my tubes in. I'm not sure. I don't know. I might keep it for the onions, or make something else for the big carrots. This is a carrot bed, not doing very well, to be fair. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. I haven't decided. We have brought the apple tree outside now, the greenhouse. It's not getting pampered. Just measured it, it's 5 foot. That's what we've grew from the seed, guys. Happy with that. These pumpkins, they'll be done. I'm probably just going to leave them till the end of September and that's it. They're getting harvest. Romanescos are looking quite healthy. There's one of them there that's looking a bit sad for itself, but it might pick up. As you've seen on the last video, all this is done. Getting the seed from these soon. Greenhouses are looking really bare. I'm not sure if I'm going to try and save these peppers for next year. If you keep them above 10 degrees, they will survive. I'm not sure if I'm going to be bothered about them and just regrow fresh plants next year, I think.
Oh, very nice. Happy to see you.
Yeah, I'm just getting a bit of a pepper harvest today. Some lovely colours in there. I don't know who's carrying them home like, because we've still got no car. And the car update, we may be able to get a courtesy car tomorrow. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Timing belt is definitely snapped. Pulled a few tomatoes out of here today. And we have getting our grapevine in. So that's got to be getting on 3 meters already, and the seedless, so I'm happy about that. I have gotten my tubs today. Again, watching Jimmy's video. Got the idea of his tubs. There's some of the grapes. And that grapevine's fairly new. But yeah, there's the tubs. Good idea, Jimmy. I need to get in here and sort it out. I've tried to get the bone meal you mentioned, and our allotment shop does not have it. He said the bloodfish and bone was pretty much the same. Whether it is or not, I'm not an expert. We've only been here 6 months. Still learning, soaking up loads of information. So yeah, just a little quick update, guys. Obviously, not having a car this week, we've had very little chance to come round here. So yeah, just a quick update. Tell you what's been going on, what we have done this week. Garden is closing down, keep saying it, but it is. These winter brassicas will just have to kind of fend for themselves. As long as I can get a good Christmas dinner out of them, I'm happy. I'm going to crack some seeds from what we have got, flowers, stuff like that. I'm just getting some onion seed off my allotment secretary today, good size onions, so we'll give them a go as well. Also the giant onion competition that Jimmy does, we are now on board for that and can't wait to get stuck in, as well as doing the giant garlic as well. So yeah, a few things to look forward to. Still undecided if I'm going to be doing the heat and lights. Depends if I can pick them up cheap enough. Jimmy says I've got to get Emma in more. And this monkey. So yeah, garden's looking good. So thank you all guys for watching. We're going to end the video here. No plans for next week. So thank you all for watching, and please hit that subscribe. We've getting a few from Jimmy's channel already. Thank you very much, Jimmy. So every single one of you's help. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time.